I had a customer a few days ago dropped off her John Deere S240 riding lawnmower. Said it wouldn't start, said she was using it and it stopped and it wouldn't start back up. So typically I drive out to fix these things. This time she just brought it over so that I would have all the tools necessary. So what I found was some rodent damage, of course. We live out in the middle of nowhere and we have rodent damage. That's always the first thing we look for. And I found some of that, and I will fix all that. I'll just build her a new wiring harness for her coils. But what the problem was this. It's a carburetor. What happens to these, mainly, people use ethanol gas, of course, because that's what's available. Everybody puts 87 or 89, it has ethanol in it. And then they let it sit all winter with ethanol in the carburetor and then go out in the spring and start it. And then these, all the seals end up all messy and deteriorated like this. Not sure how that's going to show up, but it is not good. And you can see, wow, the bowl is dirty and has messes here. And if I dug deeper into this, I would also find there's a small seal in here in the needle and seat that's also probably all burned up. So, of course I can rebuild and repair these, but that's going to cost money. That's going to cost the customer money that, you know, she probably doesn't have. Put that right there. That she probably doesn't have. So, you know, I figured, okay, let's just buy her a new carburetor, because a new carburetor should be cheaper than paying me for the 2 hours that it's going to take to clean up and rebuild this. So I go to John Deere and I look it up, and the part is this little carburetor, $403. Okay, so just to put that into perspective, for $403 right now I can buy an Edelbrock 500 cubic foot per minute 4-barrel carburetor. I'll show you a screenshot right here. $403 for this. That's insane. That's nuts. So I can order one on Amazon for $40, and I'll put a link in the description to these, because this is nuts. No way. That just makes me angry. Wow. Have a lot of shipping peanuts in here. Let me get these out. And we have basically the same carburetor. Made in China, this one's made in Mexico. This one was probably originally made in Mexico and rebuilt in China. This also comes with a new fuel filter and a new fuel pump, new clamps. This comes with everything that we're gonna need. Because the fuel pump is probably gonna be hosed on it too. Oh, actually, this isn't a fuel pump. This is a fuel shutoff valve, which is very nice. This should most definitely be added to any of your small engines. It costs a few bucks, and you can just turn it off, run it until it runs out of fuel in the carburetor, and then you don't have to worry anymore. The same way we do it with a boat. If you're going to put a boat away for a couple weeks, I'd say more than a week, you just drain that carburetor. You run all the fuel out of it, So you don't have these kind of problems. You don't want to have fuel sitting and gelling up inside a small engine. It's not like a car. So I can't say enough about using ethanol fuel though. You can't just use ethanol fuel in these. It's going to eat up these seals. This engine only has 50 hours on it. And there's all that damage. It's also very, very dirty. But I'm going to clean all that up. And probably change your oil, change the spark plugs and everything, do the first service that it's supposed to have had. And we'll get her back on the road. $403 from John Deere, $40. It's the same carburetor, guys. It's the same thing. Same rubber seals. I don't know what they're thinking. Okay, that's what I've got for you today. We'll talk to you later.